Hi, so my name is Caitlin Davis, and I am going to do an overview of Section 6 from the IEP documents in this video, and it'll be what we've covered so far in class. So the first thing is Section 6 is the measurable annual goals, and the very first thing that we do for that is we have to list which number goal it is. So for our example, it's going to be our first goal, so it'll be goal number 1. And then the area is going to be like the content area of the subject. So for this example, we're going to use math. And then when we come here, it's going to be the present level of academic achievement and functional performance. And that is going to be an overview of where is the student performing right now. Where are they academically? Where are they functionally? And that will be an overview of that. And then when we come down here, we're going to write our measurable annual goal. And when we do that, it's really important to remember that we need to use our SMART goals, which stands for specific, and it's do I know what skill or subject area and the results that I'm looking for? Is it measurable? Can I measure the progress? Do I know what I'm measuring? Is it attainable? Is my goal realistic for my student? Results oriented, does my goal clearly lay out what I want my student to accomplish? And is it time bound? Does my goal have a set time frame? So when I come back to the IEP document and I look at this measurable annual goal, I need to write one that is going to follow that model. For example, I use one that I used on a previous assignment, and I will put by the end of the school year. So there's my time bound. Jade, that's my person, will be able to identify if a group of objects has an even or odd number of objects with 80% accuracy. So there's going to be my measurable annual goal. The next step in section 6 is checking which box of the type of assessment that I'm going to use to determine if she is meeting that goal. I could use things like checklist, running records, performance assessment. Any of these assessments I can use to keep track of if she is meeting the goal. So when we move down a little bit more, we'll have the measurable benchmarks, or otherwise referred to as objectives. And these are going to follow the same model of the SMART goals, but they're going to be more specific. So they're going to be the plan and the steps that we are going to take to help her reach the annual goal. So when we go down even further, we'll have the method of frequency for reporting the child's progress to parents. For students who are on IEPs and have disabilities, they are required to have a report sent every time that their non-disabled peers have a report sent. So when report cards go out for their non-disabled peers, the parents or guardians will also be provided with a progress report on how the student is performing. And then over here, you just check which format that you will give the parent that assessment in. And that is the end of section 6.